Hello, Firaz.
Yes, sir.
Everything good?
Yes,
All right. You have solved all the questions from differentiability continuity.
yes, sir.
All right. So let's start with application of derivative. Do you have your NCRT with you?
Yeah, I have the book.
All right. So open exercise.
I'm actually in 5.5.
Sorry,
I'm in 5.5 now.
your voice is very low. But that is continuity and differentiability, right? We have completed that. So please complete all of that. 6.5.
6.5.
All right. You know everything before that? Increasing, decreasing, and everything?
Yes, sir. I covered that.
All
2x
right.
is deleted, right?
Yes,
20.
tangents and normals are deleted and approximation is deleted.
Yeah.
How about 6.5? All right, so you need to understand this, or you know this also.
Need to understand.
Maximum minimum. All right, there are two ways to check maxima and minima of a function. First derivative test, that's method one. First derivative test, first derivative test, method two. Second derivative test. All right, so let's see one by one. We are going to solve questions and I'll explain all the concept using questions only. So if you look at the first question, f of x equals to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. These questions you do not need to use differentiation at all. Right? These are very like small marks questions. Can you tell me what is the value of this function? Like what is the minimum value of this function? 2x minus 1 whole square. The least value you can get from this?
0.
0, right? So if this is 0, minimum value, then the
Yeah.
whole function will be minimum at
0.
not 0. See, this thing is 0. If you add 3 to this, then minimum
3.
value
Yeah.
becomes
3.
3. And the maximum value of this function?
It doesn't have maximum value. You keep going
It
up.
doesn't have means infinite, right? Not defined.
Yeah.
So not defined plus 3 is also not defined. So minimum is 3. This is not defined. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this way you can solve all the questions of like first question. And you can see the second question also. F of x equals to mod of x plus 2 minus 1. Again, this modulus function, what is the minimum value of modulus function?
0.
0. So what will be the minimum value of f of x?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. And maximum would be?
Infinite.
Right. So I hope these things are clear.
Yeah.
All right. So let me find a question. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me find my questions. Then I'll give you two questions from NCRT. All right. Just give me a second.
Yeah.
All right, write down. Find all points of local maxima and local minima of f of x equals to x cube minus 3x plus 3. All right. So in this question, what you have to do is, this is called first derivative test. First derivative test. So you have to differentiate this function. So you will get 3x square minus 3, right?
Yeah.
Second step, put f dash x equals to 0. So we can put this 3x square minus 3 equals to 0. Third step is to factorize. So 3x square minus 3 equals to 0. How can we factorize? Taking 3 common, x square minus 1 equals to 0. So this is e square minus b square. So 3 times x minus 1, x plus 1. These steps are clear?
Yeah.
All right. Now starts the crucial part. Plot a number line. Check the signs. What do I mean by this? The factors from this is x equals to 1,
x is equal to 1 and x is equal to
minus 1, right?
So 1 minus 1 infinite.
Minus 1 and 1, right? In number line,
Yeah.
minus 1 comes from first.
Yeah.
Start from the right hand side with a plus sign, then negative sign, then plus sign. Clear?
Yeah.
All right. Now remember, whenever sign changes from, first note it down all these points. Otherwise, I'll have to scroll down again. All right. Remember the steps, and you will never do any mistakes.
Yeah.
Note it down.
I have written it.
All right. So whenever the sign changes from positive to negative,
No, before minus 1 is
sorry,
positive. How is it positive before minus 1?
I'm not able to hear you.
How is it positive before minus 1?
All right. First write it down, then I'll explain. All right. That's it. It will leave some gap. If sign changes from positive to negative, minus 1 is a maxima. All right. Point of. This means if you put minus 1 in the function f of x, you will get a maxima. All right.
Yeah.
If sign changes from minus to plus, one is a minimum. There is a third point also. If sign does not change, if sign does not change, point is a, it is point of inflection. All right, I'm not going into a theory, a lot of theory. Just remember these few things, you'll be okay. Note it.
Yeah.
All right. So how to check Like, why do we write is positive, negative? Suppose after factorization we have this polynomial, right? So factors are -2, 1 and 3.
Yeah.
This is minus infinite, this is infinite. So can you tell me any value, any number from minus infinite to -2?
-1.
-1 comes after this, right?
Yeah, correct. -3.
-3. So please put -3 into this equation.
Yeah, you get 1 negative, 2 negative.
Negative, all right.
Yeah, all are negative. So you get negative.
Please put a number from -2 to 1, which we can put 0. If you put 0, this is negative. This is positive. This is negative. Negative, negative is positive.
Positive.
1 to 3, we can put 2. So this becomes positive. This is also positive. This is
Negative.
negative.
So negative.
If you put 3 to infinite, that is 4. Positive, positive, and positive.
Positive.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
So always start with the right side. Never start with the left side. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. All right. But this is only true for linear terms. That is x minus 1 to the power 1, x plus 2 to the power 1, and so on. All right.
Yeah.
So always check like this. If it is negative, positive, and so on. I told you how to check. All right. There is proper
Yeah.
theory how to like write this. This is called wavy curve equation. Wavy curve method. But we are not going into that. So just put values. All right. At all the critical
Yeah.
points, you will see if it is negative and positive. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
So please try to solve one question. F of x equals to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5. All right, point of local maximum.
So that other question, we wrote the answer.
Yes, right. At -1 it was maxima. At 1 it was minima. No.
So yeah, that's the answer.
Yes. If they ask you to find the local maxima value and minimum value, then you have to put f of -1 and f of 1. All right.
Yeah.
At -1 it was maxima, so f of -1. At 1 it was minima, so f of 1. That means in the original equation, just put the value of x as -1 and 1. All right.
Yeah. There is a point of inspection.
Sorry,
There is no point of maxima and minima.
there is no point of maxima and minima. Let's see
Yeah,
f
because you
dash
get
x.
x is equal to 1 in both cases.
Right. Absolutely correct. All right. Next
Yeah,
question. So this x equals to 1 is point of inflection. If sign does not change, all right.
yeah.
F of x equals to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1. All right.
Point of minima is from 2 to 3.
Sorry, Firaz.
The point minima is between 2 and
Well, can you check your mic? It is breaking in between. The voice is low, not breaking exactly. No, we do not say from 2 and 3. It will either be 2 or 3 like that. All right, it is single point of maximum minima. So let's see, f dash x is 6x square minus 30x plus 36. Taking 6 common, x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So this is x minus 2,
x
x minus 3.
minus 2.
Right. So 2 and 3, positive, negative, positive. So if this happens from positive to negative, then 2 x equals to 2 is a point of
Minima.
maxima, positive to negative, right?
Yeah.
All right. And x equals to 3. At x equals to 3, sign changes from negative to positive,
The minima.
point of minimum. All right. I hope is it clear?
Yes.
All right. There is one question also on this. They will ask you find absolute maxima and minima. This is local minima and maxima, right? Find absolute maxima and minima. Right? They will give you an interval also from 1 to 5. Do not have to do anything. Solve till this. All right. All the points you are getting, the critical points, these are called critical points. All right. Where this becomes 0 or infinite, that is called critical point. All right, Firaz?
Yeah.
So now find f of 2, f of 3, f of 1, f of 5. Why 1 and 5? Because they are the border of the interval. All right. And the maximum value out of this will be called absolute maxima. The minimum value out of this are called absolute minimum. Clear?
These 1 and 5 values were given, right?
Sorry.
1 and 5 values were given, right?
Yes. It will be given in the question that find the absolute maxima and minima of the function f of x between the interval 1 and 5, a and b, and so on. All right.
Okay.
So please find f of 2, f of 3, f of 1, f of 5. Tell me the absolute maxima and minima.
F of 2 and f of 5.
Done, Firaz? Firaz, have you solved it?
No.
You are not solving this, or you are not able to solve this? Very easy question, right? Just find f dash x. This is 4 minus x, right?
Yeah.
There is only one critical point, which is x equals to 4. So let's find f of 4. F of 4 is 16 minus 16 by 2 is 8. 8. Now f of minus 2 is minus 8, and this is minus 2, so minus 10, and f of 9 by 2. Right? Because they are asking find absolute maxima and minima, we have to find at the interval points also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. So this thing is, let's multiply 4 here also. 16 1 44 by 8, so 63, I guess, by 8. So we can see which is more. This value is maximum, right? So at 4 it is absolute maximum. Absolute maximum value is 8, right? This
Yeah.
value is less than 8. So maximum value is 8, minimum value is minus 10. Clear?
How is f of minus 2?
Calculate this. 4 into minus 2 minus half into minus 2 square minus 8 minus half into 4. This is 2 minus 10, right?
X is equal to 4, right? How is it 1? Oh, okay. You put that in that equation.
All right. Okay, next question. This is understood.
One minute, I'm writing.
All right. This is called first derivative test. Right after that, try this question. F of x is 12 x to the power 4 by 3 minus 6 x to the power 1 by 3. X belongs to minus 1 to 1.
Do we have to use log here?
No, you can simply differentiate, right? You remember how to differentiate this function x to the power n?
16x to the power 1 by 3.
Wait. Yes, x to the power n differentiation is n x to the power, sorry, x to the power n is 1 minute only. X to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. The power
Yeah,
can
I
be
did
anything.
that.
All right. So the
16x
question,
to the power 1 by 3.
wait, we have, let me write the question. F of x is 12x 4 by 3 minus 6 x to the power 1 by 3. If we differentiate this, 12 4 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 6 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2 by 3, right?
Yeah.
Let's put this value
You
as
get
0. So
16x.
take 1 to the other side. Right?
Yeah.
So this minus 2 by 3, can we write it like this? 16 x to the power 1 by 3 equals to 2 1 by x to the power 2 by 3.
Yeah.
So now this thing can be multiplied here.
Yes. So it becomes x to the power 1.
So x to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 equals to 2
The power
upon
1.
16. Right. So x is
X.
equals to 1 by 8.
Yeah.
So now what you have to find? F of 1 by 8, f of 1, f of minus 1.
Yeah.
All right. So please tell me the answer, which is maximum minimum.
F of 1 is maxima and f of 1 by 8 is minimum.
Already got the answer. Right, f1 is maxima. Okay, absolutely correct. Right. So this is what first derivative test is. I hope this thing is clear.
Yes.
All right. So let's start with second derivative. One minute. All right. For this, just remember one thing. Two things actually. Write it down. If f dash c is 0, c is critical point. All right. The same step is common here. First derivative test, we did differentiate then put 0. Same here. Differentiate, put 0. Whatever you got is called critical points. All right. F dash c is 0. F double dash c is less than 0. Then c is maxima. F dash c is 0. F dash double c is greater than 0. Then c is minima. Right? And you get pretty difficult questions in this topic, right? The cone, surface area of the cone, and sphere and everything. So we have to solve a lot of questions in this. Note it down. I'll explain by one question.
The third one is second derivative test C.
Yes, this is f double dash c means double derivative of c. All right.
So it means and so is at what point of inflection?
Your voice is breaking actually, Firaz. I'm not able to
Is it
understand
point
you.
of inflection?
Is it what point? Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
Yes, you can say this is point of inflection, but not necessarily. All right. Whenever this happens, please use first derivative test. All right.
Okay.
But in most of your like syllabus, that is a point of inflection. All right.
Done.
All right. Suppose we have f of x equals to 3x to the power 4, 4x cube plus 12x square plus 12. All right. Make this is minus 12x square. So again, first job is to differentiate. This is 12x cube plus 12x square minus 12x, right? This thing is clear.
Yeah.
Next step is to put this equals to 0. So we can take 12x common. So this is x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. So 12x minus plus 2x minus x minus 1. Did I do this right? No, I did not do this right. Minus b.
No, it's minus 2x plus.
This is 24, right? This is minus 2. My bad. I differentiated this wrong. This is 24. All right.
Yeah.
2. Now we can say this is 2x x minus 2. 12x x square. Sorry, taking x common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2 which is 0. So what we get is 12x x minus 2 x plus 2. All right.
Yeah.
So critical points are x equals to 0, x equals to 2, x equals to minus 2. This thing is clear.
Yeah.
Now what we have to do is find f double dash x. That means differentiate this function again. So we will get is 36x square plus 24x minus 24, right?
Yeah.
Now what you have to do, find f double dash 0, f double dash 2, f double dash minus 2. Clear? Just put these critical points into the double derivative. Tell me the values.
Minus 24 and
Okay, this is minus 24.
$168.
All right.
Minus 120.
All right. All right. I believe this is also positive. Please check minus 2, right? So 36 into minus 2 square is positive, plus 24 into minus 2 minus 24. So this is 36 into 4 minus 48 minus 24. So this is 144 minus 72, which is 72.
72.
All right. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So please look at the notes I gave you. If a double derivative is negative, then
C is maximum.
right. So 0, x equals to 0 is local maxima. All right.
Yeah.
And if double derivative is positive, then
Minima.
minimum. So x equals to 2 and minus 2 are local minima. Got it?
Yes.
Absolutely clear. Very easy.
Yeah.
Let's solve the next question. Let's look at word problems. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as maximum as possible. All right. So again, childhood problems, forming equations. Sum is 24, so we can write x plus y is 24. And what else? We have product. Xy is maximum. Suppose this is P, product. All right. So the trick in
Yeah.
solving this type of question is always form the equation they are asking, convert that into one variable. All right. So we have x and y, two variables. So let's convert this into one variable. How? We can write x is 24 minus y and put it here. F x is 24 minus y into y. So this is 24y minus y square. Clear?
Yeah.
Now this you have to maximize. We just solved a question like this, right? How to maximize, differentiate, find critical points, double differentiate, see at which points the answer is negative, right?
Yeah.
Please solve it. Tell me the answer.
We're differentiating with respect to y, right? Not x.
Yes, whatever variable you have, differentiate according to that. All right.
So f of -2 and f of 12. So f of 12 will be maximum, obviously.
Right. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's give another question on this. Remember the steps. Write down the equation that is given. What you have to maximize, find that equation, convert into one single variable. Nobody cares if you convert into x or y. All right.
Yeah.
But that should be into one variable. Convert into one variable, differentiate, you'll get the answer. Okay. Find two positive numbers. X and y such that x plus y is 60, and xy cube is maximum. All right, they have already given the equation now. So your only job is to convert into one variable and solve, right? All right. So you got this answer right, Firaz? Easy?
Yeah, but I checked the answer. It's wrong.
The solution?
I got 45 and 30, but the answer is 45 and 15.
45 and
15.
check what you did mistake. Oh, you are doing this mistake, right? See, if y is 45, then x must be 15.
Yeah.
Because this sum is 60, right? Now is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
So you
Okay.
don't have to differentiate, right? In the end.
No. Just maximize, like find p, maximize p, whatever value you get, right? Suppose y is equals to 45. Then this is the answer. All right. Put it here.
So
Then
that
x.
means you don't have to go for second order differentiation.
No. You have to, right? Let me solve this. P is x y cube, right? So we can replace x with 60 minus y. So p is 60 minus y cube.
60 minus by 4. 60 by
Oh, all
4
right. You
minus
are
by
telling me
4.
the derivation. Let me just write it like this. dp by dy is 180 y square minus 4y cube, right?
Yeah.
Right. Now we have to put this equals to 0. So we can take 4y square common. So this is 45y minus 45 minus y equals to 0. So either y is 0 or y is 45, right? Yes or no?
No, I mean, you could send 180 y square to the other side, right? Become minus 180 y square.
Right. But when you cancel, remember, whenever you cancel some things, one factor is cancelled out, right? So it's better to factorize. All right.
Okay.
So now we have to find d square p upon dy square, because we do not know if y equals to 0 is maximum or y is 45 is maximum. So we have to double
Okay.
differentiate. This
Yeah.
is 360y minus 12y square. Put d square p upon dy square at y equals to 0 and t square p upon dy square at y equals to 45. You will see this thing will be negative. This thing will be 0 or positive. All right. Got it? We can see this thing is obviously negative. 45 square into 12, right?
Yeah.
So because double derivative is negative, we can say at y equals to 45, t is maxima. All right.
Yeah.
So then we can find the value of x. I hope this thing is clear.
Okay. So you don't have to find y value.
This is the value of y, right? Not clear? See, we converted this whole equation into y and finally found that at y equals to 45, the p function is maximum. Clear? Then we are trying to find the value of x. We know x is 60 minus y, so 15. Is it clear, Firaz? Yes or no? Firaz, are you there?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. So write down one homework